Kobowa's new life in Canada. Hello, my friends. My name is Kobowa. I am from Sudan. I just arrived in Canada, and my life is very different now. I feel scared, but I also feel excited. I left my home, my friends, and my family. Everything here is new for me. Canada is a big country. The people are friendly, and the weather is very cold. I see snow for the first time. It looks beautiful, but it feels freezing on my hands and face. In my first week, I start learning English. It is not easy, but I want to learn. I go to a school for new students. The teachers are kind. They teach us simple words and help us speak slowly. Every day, I practice. I listen to English music and watch English cartoons. I want to talk with my new friends. At school, I meet students from many countries. We share our stories. I make a new friend named Sarah. She is from Afghanistan. We both like to draw and play games. At lunch, we sit together. We laugh and talk. I feel happy. I am not alone anymore. On the weekend, I explore my new city. I walk in parks and see tall trees and big lakes. I look at the tall buildings and busy streets. I also visit the library. It is quiet and full of books. I read simple English stories. When I finish a book, I feel proud. Canada has many cultures. People come from all over the world. Last week, I went to a festival. There was music, dancing, and food from many countries. I tried food from India and Mexico. It was delicious. I love learning about new cultures. Sometimes, I feel sad. I miss my home in Sudan. I talk to my teacher about my feelings. She listens and helps me. I also talk to a counselor. She tells me it is okay to feel this way. I feel better when I share my worries. I have dreams for my future. I want to finish school and go to university. I want to study art because I love drawing. One day, I want to be an artist. I want to tell stories with my art. I know it will take time, but I believe in myself. I miss my family. They are still in Sudan. I talk to them on the phone. I tell them about my new life. They are proud of me. I send them pictures of my friends and the places I visit. I hope to see them again soon. I share my culture with my friends. I teach them Arabic words and songs. They teach me about their cultures too. We share food and stories. I feel happy to be part of this big, diverse community. Learning English is hard. Sometimes, I make mistakes. I feel shy, but I keep trying. My friends tell me it is okay. Every time I speak, I get better. I am proud of my progress. I also find new hobbies. I join a painting class. I paint nature and my feelings. It helps me relax. I also play soccer with my friends. We run, laugh, and have fun. I want to help my new community. I volunteer at a shelter. I help serve food to people. It feels good to help others. I meet new people and learn more about the city. I have big dreams. I want to travel the world. I want to visit my family in Sudan and show them my new life. I want to help other refugees and inspire them. I believe everyone can follow their dreams. Change is scary, but it can also be beautiful. Canada is my new home. I am making new memories. I am growing every day. I am excited for my future. I practice English every day. I speak in class, even when I feel shy. My teacher tells me that small steps are important. I am learning to believe in myself. I celebrate my progress. When I learn a new word, I smile. When I make a new friend, I feel proud. I write in my journal to remember my journey. I look at the future with hope. I know there will be challenges, but I am ready. I have support from my friends and teachers. I believe in my dreams. I want to share my story with others. I want people to know that it is okay to be different. Everyone has a story. I hope my story helps someone be brave. I am grateful for my new life in Canada. I am thankful for my friends, my teachers, and the kind people I meet. I remind myself to be thankful every day. I believe my future is bright. I will keep learning. I will keep growing. I will follow my dreams. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it inspires you. If you like this story, please stay with me and subscribe. There are many more stories to come.